everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 13th to the 17th of September 2021 on Monday. Melosi breaks up with Tati. A heartbroken Bongani breaks up with Zodwa. Don gives his crew the last command as they leave for another haste on Tuesday. When his loved one goes missing, Don set out to go find them. Ntokozo covers for Melosi when trouble comes knocking. Buhle takes matters into her own hands on Wednesday. Don't try to get through to Zodwa, but she wants nothing to do with him. Melosi and Tati try to come to terms with their separation. Mazet tried to figure out a way to get rid of Don on Thursday. Don scrambled to get his family back, and Zodwa pulls a move that shocks him. Tati announces her plans to her family, but Don's announcement trumps her much to everyone's shock on Friday. The Molefe family is shocked to find that the newest arrival in their home is there to stay. Teddy is conflicted about how to feel about his father. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.